Good morning to you all. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6 division, and the topic is division on a number line and division using multiplication facts, and this is video number 3. So start students, division on a number line. I have given you one example to do. Divide 16 by 4 using a number line. For that what we have to do students? See, in multiplication we start from 0. Now I am dividing. So division is the inverse of multiplication. So I will not start from 0. I will start from 16. Okay students, which is my first number. So I will start from 16. Now I need to jump back, that is to the left, and in step of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So students, from 16, if I jump back in steps of 4, I come to 12. Now, is the division over students? No, the division is not over. What we have to do? Yes, I will keep on jumping back in steps of 4 till I reach 0. Once again, from 12 I jump back, that is jump in step of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay students, from 8, what I have to do? Yes, again I will move 4 steps. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 8, I have reached to 4. So students, till 0 I have to move. Again from 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again I am moving 4 steps to come to the 0. Now students, can we move further? No. Why? Because there is no number. Now here is 0. Okay. So students, now count the number of jumps we have made from 16 to reach 0. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Now count the number of jumps we have made from 16 to reach 0. Yes. So we have made 4 jumps. How many jumps? 4 jumps. So you can write here, thus 16 divided by 4 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Now start students, division using multiplication facts. So see, there are 2 division facts for each multiplication fact. So here I am giving number 4 into 5. So students, 4 into 5? Yes, 4 into 5 is equals to 20. And in division fact, how we will write? We will divide 20 by 4. So here we will write 20 divided by 4 is equals to, yes, 5. And again we will divide 20 by 5. See, 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. So students, see, there are 2 division facts for each multiplication fact. So one more example I am giving you. So right, students, see, 5 into 9 is equals to 45. Now in division fact, what we will do? Yes, in division fact we will write 45, yes, divided by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is equals to, students? Yes, 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. Again what we will do? Yes, again we will divide 45 by 9. So 45 divided by 9 is equals to 5. Students, one more example I am giving you. See, 7 into 9 is equals to, yes, 7 nines are 63. Gives 63 divided by 7. See, 63 divided by 7 is equals to 9. And 63 divided by 9 is equals to 7. So students, always remember that every multiplication fact has two division facts, and division operation is the opposite operation of So students, every multiplication fact has two division facts. Division operation is the opposite operation of multiplication, or you can say division is the inverse of multiplication. Now students, I am going to give you some questions from your maths course book. Checkpoint question number 5. Now start students. Complete the following multiplication and division facts. So 3 into 8. So 3 8s are, yes, 24. Now students, I have told you before only that each multiplication has two division facts. Now what we will do here? Yes, here again 24 divided by 8. First we will divide by 8. So see, 24 divided by 8 is equals to, yes, 3. And 24 divided by 3 is equals to, yes, 8. Now again 4 into 7. So 4 7s are, yes, 28. Now again 28 divided by 7 is equals to 4. And 28 divided by 4 is equals to, yes, 7. Now come to the next. 9 into 2. So 9 2s are, yes, 18. So 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is equals to, yes, 9. And 18 divided by 9 is equals to, yes, 2. Come to the last. 5 into 6. So 5 6 are, yes, 30. 5 6 are 30. Now here 30 divided by 6. Yes, so 30 divided by 6 is equals to 5. And 30 divided by 5 is equals to, yes, 6. Did you understand students? Okay, very good. Now students, today I have taught you division using a number line and division using multiplication facts. Now students, note down your homework. So see students, worksheet 6.3, question number A and B, page number 17 and 18. This homework students you have to do in your application book B.